So the topic today is this men who are suffering from this erectile dysfunction, premature ejaculation, low sperm function. All these people are not really happy internally. Have you ever thought, just look into yourself. You're sleeping for 6 hours, 7 hours or 8 hours a day. If after the wake up, are you happy? You feel that you got a very deep sleep, very sound sleep, a very restful sleep, very low in numbers. Very few people are getting a deep and sound and rested sleep. Even in the sleep, they are looking at the work. How can I complete this assignment? How can I dedicate this task to this particular staff? How can I plan my next scheduled visit to this particular place? How can I plan my growth in my next financial year, in the next quarter? So, in the sleep also, they are not giving rest for the mind as well for the body.